Breck, and today we're at the Dungeness Valley Creamery here in Squim, Washington. Do you know what a creamery is? It's a place that has a lot of cows and milk, and I can't wait to explore. Come on, let's go!
Brecky, Breck, come along and play with me. Brecky, Breck, now it's time to learn with Brecky, Breck.
Oh boy, I just love baby cows. Baby cows are called calves. Hi, Vicky. How are you, you big girl? Oh, wow. Check these little guys out. Here at the Dungeness Valley Creamery, they have a lot of baby calves. And guess what? They name every single one of their cows. So they all have little tags with their names on it. Let's go find out what their names are. This little girl's name is Tiny. Hi, Tiny. She's super friendly, and she loves it when I itch her chin. And we have Elfie right here. He's a little bit nervous. Hi. You can sniff me. That's okay. Ooh, they sure love it when you itch their chin. Oh, doesn't that feel so good? It sure is nice, huh, Elfie? All right, let's meet this one over here. Oh, she's eating something. What you got in there? Oh, she's got some grains. Hi, this is Mariposa. Hi, Mariposa. And right here we have LaFonda. Hi, LaFonda. How are you today? Wow, these cows are so soft. These right here, these are called Jersey cows. They're all brown. They're not like the other cows that you might see that are black and white with spots. These ones are all brown, and that's why they're called Jersey cows. Oh, this is Gidget. Hi, Gidget. You want to dance with me, Gidget? There you go. Good job. These calves are all 4 months old or younger. That means they're little springtime baby calves. Oh my goodness. Isn't that so amazing? Well, are you ready to go meet their mamas? Come on. I'm going to go meet your mom really quick, Gidget. Wow. Check this out. This right here, that's the milking parlor. We'll get to explore in there later. But right now, we're going to go to the barn and meet some of the mamas. Come on. Where'd all the mamas go? Well, let's go see if we can find them around back. Come on! Wow. Look at in here. These aren't the mommies, but there's some more babies over here. This is the newest member to the Dungeness Valley Creamery farm. Look at, she's so cute. Hello! Hi, Matilda. Hi. It looks like they're super curious and maybe even a little bit nervous. But that's okay. Hi, guys. You hear that? That's fresh water coming into this water trough right here. That's nice. They have constant fresh water. That's really good. Hey, what are you doing, Tampa? You see that big long brush over there? Cows, since they don't have hands and they can't itch their back, they can brush up against that big brush if they want. This is the big pasture that these big cows get to roam around and explore together. And since it's springtime, all the grass is coming up. Do you see that grass blooming? That's gonna be some yummy food for these cows to eat, because cows love to eat grass. We still haven't been able to find the mamas, but look, I think we're on the right track. I see a bunch of cow prints. Come on, let's go find them. Mamas? Oh my goodness. Well, they're just grazing on some food while they wait in line to get milked. Are you guys ready? Oh boy, we're gonna get to experience what it's like to milk a cow. Have you ever milked a cow before? I haven't. I'm really excited to learn. Come on, I want you to meet somebody. Wow, this is my friend Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Hi. This is the milking parlor, and she's gonna show me how to milk a cow. I'm really excited. Wow, you see this big building? This is the milking parlor, and this is where all the cows get milked. And they each have their own little bay right here. So, what's the first step before we milk a cow? Wow, so we're gonna dip their teats with iodine so that it can kill any bacteria that might be on their nipples.
So the second step is to wipe all of the iodine off.
Now she's wiping off all the iodine and any dirt or mud that might be stuck on their teeth. As she rubs the teeth, it stimulates their udders so that the milk will let down and it'll come right out when she hooks up the machine. Isn't that awesome?
Okay, she's ready for the milking machine.
Okay.
Here's the milking machine.
Oh, check that out.
And you have to turn on the vacuum right here.
Oh, so we're turning on the vacuum.
That's your suction.
Look at that.
There's the milk already coming out.
Did you see how easy that was? Oh my goodness. Well, guess what, you guys? There are 70 cows here that we're gonna milk tonight. That's a lot of cows. That takes a lot of work too. And they have 8 going at one time, and it takes about 15 minutes.
So that took about 3 minutes.
Wow, 3 minutes to milk a cow? That sounds pretty awesome. Now they're gonna let all the cows out for the next round of 8 cows. Wow, so now that they've got them all lined up, they're gonna drop some grain from up there into these troughs to feed them. Isn't that cool? Wow, look at all these mama cows waiting in line to get milk. And you see how they're munching and chewing? She's chewing her cud. Did you know that cows have 4 stomachs? Isn't that crazy? So I'm gonna try wiping off their teeth, okay? We gotta get all the dirt and grime off there so it doesn't get into the milk. All right, so I'm gonna turn the suction on. That took me a little longer than a professional, but check it out. You see the milk flowing in there? So Rose's milk is coming down into this green tube, dropping into this pipe. I'm gonna leave you two to all this milking, and let's go follow the milk trail. Come on. So the milk comes through this pipe right here and goes into the milk house. Come on, let's check it out. Look at this. This is the milk house. And the milk, it comes into here. Look at this. Do you see this vat filling up? Ooh, it's got milk sloshed on the lid. As it comes in here, it goes up this pipe and drops down right into here. Then it drops into this cooler. And this cooler, it has a thermostat right here. So this tank is temperature regulated and it can't go over 41 degrees. That's really important because the milk will go sour if it does. So from here, it goes into these pipes right here and out of the building. We gotta follow this milk trail, come on. It comes out of these pipes right here, drops underground, and come on, follow me. The tube connects right in here. Then it goes into the side of this building, come on. Now the milk's in the building, ready to be bottled. Check out all these jugs. Oh my goodness, they do all of their own bottling right here at the creamery. So you grab a couple of the jugs, you set them right here, you raise them up to this, you turn it on, they fill up with milk, you lower it down, you bring the jugs to this counter, and you put the lids on them, and then you carry your jugs over here into the cooler. So you put the jugs in here so people can buy it. But guess what? This milk is sold at so many different stores. So they can load it up into crates and put them on the back of these trucks out here to be delivered to other stores. Let's go check out a truck. This is a refrigerator truck. This truck is gonna get loaded up with milk to be delivered to the stores nearby. Isn't that so awesome? Well, the Dungeness Valley Creamery is full of awesome employees, and he even got to bring his dog along with him. Wow, well, there goes another shipment. He's gonna go deliver some milk. Let's check out the gift shop. They have all these fun local items that you can buy. They even have honey, and peanuts, and ice cream. Oh boy, we have to try some of the milk from this creamery. You see this? Dungeness Valley Creamery. Hi Drew, can I buy some of this milk?
Yeah, $1.50.
$1.50. I have $1.50 because 2 quarters makes 50 cents.
All right.
All right, try this. All this milk is straight out of the cows. It's not pasteurized or homogenized. Oh boy, it smells so sweet. That is super delicious.
Spring is in the air, and you know what that means. All the flowers in the ground are popping up to feel the breeze. The bears are waking up from a winter's nap, because the bees made the bears a yummy honey snack. I love spring in the flowers, spring in the trees. Spring 'cause it's melting away a cold freeze. Yes, I do. I love spring. Whoa. I love spring in the rain, spring in the sun. Spring 'cause it brings the family fun. Yes, I do. I love spring. Whoa. On the farm, all the calves are letting out a little moo, and all the baby chicks and duckies are a chirping and a quacking too. The tractors hum along to a springtime song. Now it's your turn, friends, why don't you sing along? I love spring in the flowers, spring in the trees. Spring 'cause it's melting away a cold freeze. Yes, I do. I love spring. Whoa. I love spring in the rain, spring in the sun. Spring 'cause it brings the family fun. Yes, I do. I love spring. Whoa. Out of all four seasons, here's what I think. I love summer, I love fall, I love winter, but the spring, the weather's getting warmer, I can feel the degrees. Spring, you have all of my favorite things. March, April, May. I love spring in the flowers, spring in the trees. Spring 'cause it's melting away a cold freeze. Yes, I do. I love spring. Whoa. I love spring in the rain, spring in the sun. Spring 'cause it brings the family fun. Yes, I do. I love spring. Whoa. I love spring in the flowers, spring in the trees. Spring 'cause it's melting away a cold freeze. Yes, I do. I love spring. Whoa. I love spring in the rain, spring in the sun. Spring 'cause it brings the family fun. Yes, I do. I love spring. Whoa.
Wow, this sure was a lot of fun learning about dairy cows and farming with Sarah. Thank you so much for teaching me what you know.
You're welcome.
All right, well, we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Hey! If you want to stay up to date on all of our fun adventures, be sure to hit the red subscribe button below. We'll see you next time.